Hi, this is Ted from Teddy V Photos. Now they're unboxing or unbagging. Today we've got the Filson Surveyor Messenger bag. As of lately, I've been more and more interested in Filson products. I have one Filson bag for a while, and this is now my second bag. This present time of the year, there's a good sale going on. So right bag, right time, right price, so I decided to go ahead and buy it. And with that, let's do an unbagging and let's look at what we got. So a couple things about Filson. Filson's been around for a long time. I believe the history has gone all the way back to 1897 or something like that. If the dates are wrong, I'll let you know. I'll put a comment in there. They use very strong materials. Here they talk about is Cordura. They also use a twill, and they also use tin cloth, and I have one bag in each. So again, this is an unbagging or unboxing of the Filson Surveyor Messenger bag. First thing you see on front of you is the pockets. They have pen loops, other pocket, a couple of small loops. We've got a clasp there. Inside, we've got the strap. Filson straps are famous for their, they call them the bridal leather straps. Unfortunately, this bag does not come with it, and I actually thought about purchasing one for this, but unfortunately, they're on back order right now. And that's what I'm finding out. If you have a Filson bag, they're expensive, and sometimes people don't want to spend the kind of money, but once they have it, they realize they have a quality product. So we'll continue with this. Strap right here. Inside, it has the ability to do laptop. I believe it's all the way up to a 15 or 16-inch laptop. It's got two different pouches, and it's got a little holder here, so if you had a water bottle in there, it would keep the water bottle in there so it would move around. Actually, really nice. I'm going to break this in for the next couple of weeks, and then I'll give you some type of information on it. Was it good? Was it bad? How do I like it? So again, this is the Filson Surveyor Messenger bag. Right now it's on sale at filson.com. So if you're thinking, is this something you want to get? Might be the time to get it. Thanks for watching. See ya.